So I don't know what happened to my video that I was recording, but I just shared how I pulled all the meat, the chicken out, and I separated the bones from the meat. So this is now all trash. If you have dogs or whatever, they love this stuff, but I don't. Oh yeah, and this is the stuff that I used. It has a blue label thing. At least that's what it said on it for the seasoning. And I threw these Mission white corn tortillas, super soft, in the microwave for 2 minutes, and yeah, it's good to go. And if you use a lot of electricity, like I use the stove to heat this up, and if your house is super cold, you can let this cool down in there so you can keep that energy instead of spilling it out immediately in the drain. You can let that energy come out inside your home. That A1 sauce though, and that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy. And literally all I did, I just filled this up with water. I threw the chicken in there, and then I told my phone to give me a an alarm every 10 minutes so I could check on this. And I think it was at 9 at first, and it was like steaming. So I turned it down a little bit. But other than that, you don't have to do anything. And it's not super cold in here, so I'm just going to slowly throw that out. There's some few little pieces of chicken. Recycle that into my collection here so I can get in my belly. And that's it. Just wash this and you're good to go. I didn't have to use any oil or anything. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you cook meat chicken. And I am certain that the same quality of chicken in there and the cooking it on the stove will be the same in the microwave. But you have to refer to my first video on how to do that. Easy peasy. Just how life should be, right? And that's me right there. The reflection on the microwave. And if you use a lot of these, you could eat like for under like $10 a day with one of these. Well, obviously you have to heat it up and use water, and all that costs money. But in simplest terms, under $10. And a little bit of your time. I mean, you could even do this at your job on break. Just run to the microwave, throw some chicken in there, heat it up for 10-15 minutes, then spill it out, run it through some cold water, separate all the bones from the chicken, throw your tortillas in there for a minute or two, and then devour it for under like 10 minutes so you go back to work. Or you could do it the night before. Either way, you'll be able to brag to all your employees that you had some chicken. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how the cookie crumbles. See that? Just throw it in there. Two minutes. You don't even have to do anything. Yeah. Who said you couldn't make this into some finger food? Look at that. Chicken's nice and cooked. Nice and cooked. Evenly cooked. If you're scared of whatever, for whatever reason, you could always leave it in there for longer if you want. For like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, an hour. It's really up to you. And like I said, I had like 4 pieces yesterday. Or 6. I forget. It got me really full with this and that. I did use olive oil though yesterday, but I noticed the oil is 100% fat. So if you're not trying to gain a little bit more weight, I would recommend that you stay away from that stuff. And just drink some soda on the side, some Coke, which I don't have. Well, I do have. It's in my bedroom. And it's like, fuck it, bitch, because I love all my bitches. I love all my hoes. So whether I get butthurt or not, or I have my way or not. That's besides the point. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you, baby Jesus. You rock. Look at that. Damn it. See, and this is the way you could live at home. This is the way you can do it. Simple. Throw it in there. It's probably a little bit too much to eat, but I can always save a taco or two for later. For dinner. Because it's lunchtime right now. And these are some fat tacos. Look at that. I mean, when you go eat, you're spending $1 on a taco. Or even $2 on a taco. I just made 8 of them. And they're fat ones. Nice and voluptuous. Juicy. Cooked with nothing but water. And that's water for you Americans that love to correct everyone in their grammar. Bam.